Hi, friends, and welcome back to From the Ground Up, Practical Wisdom from the Robertson Rottie Ranch. This is our final episode in the first season. And today isn't about introducing something new. It's about bringing everything together. Over the past episodes, we've talked about foundations. Food as nourishment, everyday herbal support, animals as teachers, living in rhythm with the seasons, supporting resilience and the nervous system, preparedness rooted in skills, not fear. And if there's one thread that runs through all of it, it's this. A rooted life isn't built all at once. It's built slowly. Through small, consistent choices, through learning when to act and when to rest, through listening instead of rushing. Here on the ranch, nothing meaningful happens overnight. Roots grow in darkness. Strength is built quietly. And the most important work often happens beneath the surface, long before anyone sees results. A rooted life doesn't mean a perfect life. It means a steady one. One where nourishment supports you instead of draining you, where stress is met with resilience instead of panic, where leadership is calm and trust is earned, where rest is honored as part of the process, not something you have to earn through exhaustion. This series was never about telling you what to do. It was about reminding you of what you already know and helping you to trust it again. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to do it all at once. You just need to build what matters, one foundation at a time. As this season comes to a close, my hope is you carry one thing forward, a sense of steadiness. Because when your life is built from the ground up, with intention, with rhythm and care, it doesn't just withstand the seasons, it grows through them. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for learning alongside us, and thank you for choosing to build something rooted. This is not an ending. It's a settling in. And in the next season, we'll continue going deeper, building on these foundations even with more intention and clarity. I'll see you then. Bye, my friends.